finishing touches. Is it going to stick? There's so much ceramic coating on this glass that it won't stick, but hey. Profesh. Good morning all. So today's a little bit different. We're heading out in the Lamborghini Performante. Got something a little bit special today. We've been asked to attend a drag race, so I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but follow this journey and you'll see where we go. Right, here we are. We've made it to Upper Hayford runway. So Carwow have invited us down for a three-way race, our Huracan Performante. We've got a lovely 911 Turbo S behind us, and there's one more car coming in. It's on its way. It's a Mcalren Artura, apparently. Haven't seen one. It's a hybrid. It's supposed to be very, very quick. On paper, I think all these cars are very similar, so it'll be interesting to see how they get on. But yeah, excited to be here, and we'll see how the day unfolds. The lineup, we're looking good. We're in the middle. Huracan, which is going to be obviously number one. Then we've got the Mclaren hybrid on the outside. On the other side of us, the 911 Turbo S. Ooh, I don't know. On paper, they're very, very similar. It depends how they get off the line. I've got confidence in our takeoff, our launch. However, I've never actually launched that car. I was saying earlier, I'm not sure the car's actually been launched before, but we'll soon find out how it goes. But yeah, looking forward to that. I don't think I'll be driving it. They've obviously got their drivers and their presenters, so yeah, we'll be spectators, which is probably a good thing, to be honest. Yeah, so this McLaren's come directly from the factory, and they've got the team on it, cleaning it up, giving it extra slipstream. Cameras are all getting installed, and then we'll be off very shortly. So yeah, looking forward to it. I just don't know. I don't know a lot about the McLarens, but I know obviously they're super fast, being hybrid. I mean, I was just chatting to the guy about it, and they've got like a hybrid motor that produces like 30% of the torque apparently, which comes in as well as the engine. So yeah, it'll be really interesting to see how that gets off the line. That car's rear-wheel drive, so it may have a disadvantage from the get-go, but my car, the Huracan, and the Turbo S are obviously both four-wheel drive, so yeah, it's going to be a close one, I think. But yeah, let's see. So here we are, the cars are just lined up on the start line. They're ready for the half a mile, so they're going to do a half a mile race standing start. I've just found out the power figures of the McLaren. So the McLaren's running 680 horsepower. We're standard at 640 horsepower, and then the 911 Turbo S is 650 horsepower. That has got a 0-60 speed of 2.7 seconds. Ours is 2.9 seconds, and the McLaren is 3 seconds. So my prediction is Porsche is going to get off the line quicker, being four-wheel drive and having obviously the turbos, and then hopefully we'll catch up. And then the McLaren being rear-wheel drive, I'm thinking it'll be not far behind.
And exactly the same. Did them together, Sam. Okay, let's hear the German horn. All the same. Okay, that was pointless. Let's see the engines now. I'm going to rev up this McLaren. Let's have a listen to it. It makes a noise. It's quite a loud noise. There's no soft limiter, but it is a bit of a boring noise. Let's move to the Italian car, which I think is going to be very vocal. See, do you know what, Daniel? This is going to be very, very country appropriate. So the British car is noisy, but it doesn't sound that great. The Italian car is noisy, but it sounds great. And now we're going to have the German car, which sounds like this.
I think we won the noise test.
Oh, this is off the line pretty good. It's dropping that Lambo. Come on, McLaren! Am I reeling in the Porsche? Nope.
What's the lineup? I think we might have not got away as well as we might have thought. That Porsche's gone though, isn't it? It's fast.
Yeah.
Real fast. Yeah.
What we were expecting.
Exactly that. Exactly that. Very fierce competition. So that's the half a mile race done. They're now lining up to do the rolling test. So they're going to put all the cars in like a comfort mode, automatic mode. So there'll be no sort of sport or manual gear changing. We're all heading off now. They'll do a rolling 50 mile an hour, and then they'll floor it from there to get to the half mile first.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The car's going to be in automatic mode and their least sporty setting. We're going to race to the half mile, see which car is quickest. Let's do it. I'll call it in. Let's get to 50. Oh, our petrol motor's kicked in. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that took forever to kick down. So much for torque, Phil. I'm bloody dead. No! Ich davon. That gearbox was too slow.
Listen to the results there. Porsche done it again. Porsche first, Lambo second, McLaren third.
Actually, no. Let's change something. Let's do it fully in like the sportiest setting, but auto again, because I want to see what this gearbox does if it's in sports mode. Right, and here we go. Same thing again. Race to the half mile from 50 miles an hour. This time the car's in auto, but their sportiest auto setting. 3, 2, 1, go. This just changed it when I put my foot down. That just went. Come on! Oh. That was weird. Why did you do that? It was just like third, fourth.
3, 2, 1, go.
Look like that Porsche went. So that was a manual race rather than the automatic.
Let's all just pause for the British national anthem.
So that was 3 rolling races, 1 in comfort mode, 1 in sport mode, and then 1 fully manual. That last fully manual race, I think it went McLaren, Porsche, us. But when it was in auto mode, sport mode, we took the win. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, we got the kick down. So they did 100 mile an hour to the cones, and they all broke at the same time. And that is the result.
Okay, here we go again. I've got my seat closer to account for my short legs. Let's see if we can do it. Come on, McLaren. Made no difference. But what it did do was just flip the result between the Porsche and the Lamborghini.
So that's it now for today with Carwow. We've finished the racing. We're heading off home. But yeah, as you'll see, if you've seen the video from Carwow, by the time this video is out, it'll be live now on Carwow's channel, so you can head over there to see the results. But basically, the 3 races was the standing start. Quarter mile was actually half a mile. We unfortunately didn't win that one. Porsche came first, McLaren second, and then us third, which was expected really, looking at the power figures and the weight ratios and things like that. We were the underdog on that one, but we'll take that, that's fine. It's a great experience and good to be with them. Second race was the rolling race, so 50 mile an hour rolling. They did it 3 times, so they did it in comfort mode, sport mode, and then they did it in like locked in third gear mode. So the kick down sport mode we won, which was really good, and then I think we all won one of those races each, so that was quite evenly based depending on what mode we're in. And then the third one was a brake test, and we won that. They had to do it about 3 times because they, I don't know, couldn't believe it or something. But anyway, we did it 3 times, won 3 times for that. So it stops well, goes well, sounds well. I think it looked the best, and it also sounded the best, in my opinion. So yeah, if you haven't seen the video, head over to Carwow. You'll get the full racing videography from that, which will look really cool. And then yeah, we just signed up to do another couple of races with them. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the Evo race today. That was going to be the Evo Generations 1 to 10. Yeah, as I said earlier, people pulled out, so we couldn't do that. That'll be will be happening in a couple of months' time. So stay tuned. We'll have the Evo race and we'll have the new RS3 race coming soon.